Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Type your email or username exactly and re-enter the password once to avoid typos. Next, open Tlauncher settings and make sure you run the version that supports your account type. Outdated builds often trigger mismatch errors. Once done, try a simple password paste from a manager to rule out keyboard issues. If you use a Microsoft or Mojang account, make sure you selected the correct authentication type in the drop-down before moving forward. You now clear stored sessions so stale tokens can't cause mismatches. First, log out inside Tlauncher, then close the app and delete the session and cache folder in the launcher directory. This forces a fresh authentication handshake. After that, select the correct auth provider, Microsoft or Mojang, and update the launcher if needed, because protocol changes break old clients. Finally, restart the launcher and attempt sign-in. This sequence refreshes tokens and resolves many hidden sync issues. You finish by attempting a clean login. Paste your password to prevent keystroke errors, then press sign-in. If you use two-step verification, make sure you can generate or receive codes before enabling it, because a missing code appears as a mismatch. Once logged in, check that the profile launches Minecraft correctly. If it still fails, try another device or a different account to isolate the issue. This helps determine whether the problem is account-related or specific to your Tlauncher setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.